Here's I'll show you how to do a quick smooth zoom in Premiere Pro. First of all, add your video clip in timeline, then go to effect. Here search for transform and add this transform effect to your clip. Now select the clip and go to effect controls. Now here move your playhead where you want to quick zoom your video, and then you have to add a keyframe for position and scale under transform effect, and then move your playhead half or 1 second and add another keyframe for position and scale. And now here I'm giving scale 200%, and now I have to center this object, so I'm just horizontally centering this object using this position first value, and to vertically center you can use this position second value to vertically align the video. And after that select these first two keyframes and right click any of the selected frame and temporal interpolation. Here add ease out and select your last two keyframes, right click on that, and this time add ease in, and then uncheck this option and shutter angle give here 300. And after that I'm just playing my timeline, and as you can see a very beautiful quick zoom effect created.